garage storage system. Everything you need to put it up for your bike. Bike lift instructions. Let's get started. Bike storage system. Match up for the bicycle that you have. Hooks. This is the bike storage. It goes up. Simply match it to the bike. As you can see, it has a locking mechanism that you release on top. And lift your bike. Added safety, wrap it up. Hang your bike anywhere you like with the storage system. When ready to take down, release off the rope. And hang up. Enjoy your storage system wherever you want to put your bikes and get the hooks out of the way. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Enjoy your system if this is something that you are looking for to hang your bike.